Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the trim on the left side on the inside of your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the trim is cracked, broken, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our fridge. So here's the trim on our left side, and in order to get it out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out this shelf here, just to make it a little bit easier for us. And now I'm going to grab the end of the trim and pull it back, and it just pops right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement shelf trim. If you don't have it already, you can find it on our online store. And when we put it back in, there are a couple of tabs on the sides here, and then you'll see on the shelf there's a couple of notches on either side there. So those are going to line up and snap into place. So we're just going to line that up best we can. And then what you also want to do is up on the top, there's going to be a notch on either side with a couple of tabs sticking out from the trim. And those tabs will go into the notches like that. And you just heard it snap into place. And if you are having trouble, if your trim doesn't come out very easily the first time like it did on ours, you just need to use a little bit more force and pull it, because sometimes they are stuck in there pretty good. Now you can close up your doors, and your repair is complete. What did one candle say to the other? I'm going out tonight. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.